Let it go. So let's look at this UTME question from 2010 that says, the final product of the reaction between methane and chlorine in the presence of ultraviolet light are hydrogen chloride and dash. So here, one thing we need to know is that it means methane is CH4. Let's consider that CH4, which if we draw, it looks like this. It looks like this, plus chlorine, Cl2. You must understand that this reaction is called an homolytic cleavage reaction, meaning that the chlorine will have to break into two. So one will enter the reaction, the compound, then there will be a substitution reaction between the chlorine and the hydrogen. Let's just look at it this way. So you can see how many chlorines are here. So one of this hydrogen comes out and joins this chlorine here. Then this other chlorine goes into this place that this hydrogen is coming out from. So what happens is that it now becomes C, H, H, H. Remember, the hydrogen has left and a chlorine has entered. So it becomes Cl plus HCl. So it means what you'll be having up here should be CH3 Cl plus HCl. This is the first stage. So we'll call this compound chloromethane. But the reaction will not stop here. The reaction will continue. To continue because there are still more hydrogen to be substituted. So it means this reaction will come again. So I have Cl, H, H, and H, plus another chlorine molecule, which is Cl2. Another exchange will happen where this will join this and this will replace this. So it becomes C, Cl, Cl, H, and H, plus, remember, this H and this Cl will now form HCl. The chlorine has become 2, so we'll call it dichlorometh because it has one carbon atom, methane. The reaction will still happen again. So I have CCl, H, Cl, and H, plus another chlorine molecule. The same reaction will happen. So I will have C. This time, I now have 3 molecules of chlorine has entered, plus HCl. This one is now called trichloromethane. The reaction can still happen again since we still have hydrogen to be replaced. So we have C, Cl, 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 and H, plus Cl2. We have been taking that since. So one chlorine will enter, it becomes Cl, 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 plus HCl. It then becomes tetrachloromethane. The reaction will then stop here because there is no more hydrogen in this compound to be substituted from. So the final products are tetrachloromethane and hydrogen chloride. That makes our answer option C. Option C. Tetrachloro